This case Fariha Banu. My question is, normally we do our personal dua in sajda. However, if we forgot to ask something specific and that we have just finished namaz, do we have the right to do dua after saying salam?
You see, when you go to seek help of somebody, and go to his house, and you wanted to talk to the person for help, and you do not talk about your required thing before him, and you come out from his house and say, "Oh person, help me." So it is senseless. The prayers are actually that shows that you are in the presence of Allah Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala has told you that when you are in prayers, you are close to me. And especially when you are in the posture of sajda, that is the closest condition of a person when he is close to Allah Ta'ala. So instead of asking whatever you need or saying to Allah Ta'ala whatever you require, instead of doing that during sajda and during prayer, when you say Assalamu alaikum and then after that you raise your hand, that is nothing. See, that is a tradition evolved by non-Ahmadis. But we say that whenever we are in the presence of Allah Ta'ala, we should say everything to Him. Not that when we leave His house or when we leave His company, then we ask prayer for Him. Although Allah Ta'ala is present everywhere, and you cannot say that we have left Allah Ta'ala or Allah Ta'ala is not present while we are out of the condition of the prayer, the atmosphere of the prayer. But at the same time, there is a special time given to us by Allah Ta'ala that when you are in prayers, offering your prayer, then you seek my help and say whatever you like from me. So when you forget one thing, then this is why you have 5 daily prayers. Then the next prayer you can ask the same thing from Allah Ta'ala.